Hello my dear student, today we study about real numbers and their decimal expansions. In previous class we have to study about real numbers, but in this class we study about real numbers and their decimal expansions. Decimal expansions means decimal representations or decimal form. Real numbers contains two numbers. First one is rational number and the second one is irrational numbers. So how can change the rational and irrational numbers into their decimal form? How can represent rational and irrational number in decimal form? And the decimal expansion means decimal form or decimal representation of rational numbers and irrational number. So first we see the rational numbers and their decimal expansion. Expansions, another name of the expansions, form or representation. It means how can change rational numbers into their decimal form, how can convert rational number into decimal expansion form, and how can represent the rational number into decimal form. The rational number and their decimal expansion. Suppose we take an examples. We change the rational number into their decimal form. We use the method by long division method. Long division method. When we change rational number into decimal form, we use long division method. So how can change? Suppose let the example. Suppose we take an example. Rational number 7/8. What is the decimal representation of 7/8? So we change 7/8 into decimal form by using long division method. So how can change 7/8 into decimal form? 7 divided by 8 means here 7 is a dividend and 8 is a divisor. We divide 7 by 8. So first we write here 7, then divide by 8. We tell the table 7 is less than 8, so we first start by 0. 8 0 ja 0, then 7 minus 0, remainder 0, then point, then here 70, 8 8 ja 64, then 6, then again here point is already 60, then 60 here, 8 7 ja 56, then we get 4, 40, 8 5 ja 40, we get remainder here 0. So 7/8 is equal to 0.875. 0.875. when we divide 7 by 8, we get quotient as a 0.875 and the remainder here 0. So we get remainder here 0 and in quotient is terminate and remainder here for 7, 6, 4 and 0. When we divide dividend by divisor, after some step we get remainder as 0. So here 0.875 is a terminating decimal expansion, because when we divide 7 by 8, after some step we get remainder as 0 or ends. So this type of decimal is 0.875 is known as terminating decimal expansion, or another name of this terminating decimal expansion is finite decimal expansion. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल 35/16। अब यहाँ 35/16 को हम डेसिमल फॉर्म में कैसे चेंज करेंगे। 35/16 मीन्स 35 डिवाइडेड बाय 16। या 35 is dividend and 16 is a divisor. We divide 35 by 16. 35 is more than 16, so we tell the table of 16. 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32. Then we get remainder as 3. We put here decimal, then 0. 16 1 is 16, then 14, 0. Then we get 16 8 is 128. 10 minus 8 2. Then here 1. 16 7 is 112. We get remainder as 8. Then 0. 16 5 is 80. After some steps we get remainder as 0 and quotient is equal to 2.1875. So the decimal form of 35/16 is 2.1875. 35/16 equal to 2.1875. After some steps we get remainder as 0. So this type of decimal is known as terminating decimal form or expansion. 35/16 is equal to 2.1875. यहाँ पर ये क्वेश्चंस खत्म हो जा रहे हैं क्योंकि रिमाइंडर इक्वल टू 0 है। तो इस टाइप ऑफ डेसिमल्स को हम बोलेंगे टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल expansion or terminating decimal form. Let us see another example. Example number 3. -17/8. How can change the -17/8 into their decimal form? -17/8. So अगर क्वेश्चन माइनस नेगेटिव मिलता है तो हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट टू टेक द पॉजिटिव। हम यानी कि -17/8 है, हम उसको बोलेंगे यहाँ पर सपोज अभी 17/8। we divide 17/8, sorry we divide 17 by 8। 17 divide by 8, and 17 is dividend and 8 is a divisor. Tell the table of 8. 8 2 is 16, 1.0. The next one, 8 1 is 8 2, 8 2 is 16, the remainder is 4. 8 5 is 40, the remainder is equal to here 0. when we divide minus 17 upon 8, we take the positive number like 17 upon 8, then we divide 17 by 8, we get quotient as here 2.125 and remainder here 0. So we write the answer 2.125, but here 17 upon 8 is negative, so we write here minus 2.125. After sum this process, we get remainder as 0 and quotient ends terminates after some process 2.125. So minus 17 upon 8 is equal to minus 2.125 is known as also terminating decimal expansion. Question number 4. 8 upon 3. How can change the 8 upon 3 into the decimal form? We divide here dividend by divisor, so 8 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. 8 by 3, it is more than 3, so we tell the table of 3. 3 2 ja 6, we get remainder as 2, then put here decimal 20, 3 6 ja 18, we get again remainder as 2, 20, 3 6 ja 18, again we get remainder as a 2, then 20, then again 3 6 ja 18, we get remainder as a 2, again 3 6 ja 18, and then again here 20, 3 6 ja 18, then we get remainder as a 2 and 0 means 20, then 3 6 ja 18. Here we get remainder as a 2 2 2 2 and quotient is non-terminate. Here quotient is not ends because it remainders are, again we get 2 2 2 2, यहाँ पर रिमाइंडर्स हमको 2 2 मिल रहा है, ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा है, और यह क्वेश्चन हम ये बार बार रिपीट होते जा रहा है लाइक 2.666 666 और हमको 6 मिलेगा, तो 8 upon 3 is equal to 2.6666 and so on. ये ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, here 6 बार बार रिपीट होते जा रहा है, तो इस टाइप के डेसिमल्स को बोलेंगे नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग decimal expansion. By 3, after some steps we get remainder as 2 2 2 2 and the remainders never ends, we not get 0, so we get quotient as 2.666. Here 6 is repeated many times and not end, so this type of decimals is known as non-terminating decimal expansions. But here 6 is repeated many times, so we write also non-terminating recurring recurring means repeating decimal expansion. Non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. So what is that decimal form of 2 upon 11 and which type of decimal are decimal 2 upon 11? Here 2 is a dividend and 11 is a divisor, so we divide 2 by 11. 11 0 ja 0, we get remainder as 2, then 0.20, 11 1 ja 11, remaining 9, remainder is 9, then 90, 11 8 ja 88, then next we get to 20, 11 1 ja 11, then we get remainder as a 9 is 90, 11, 8 ja 88, we get remainder as a 2, then 20, 11, 1 ja 11, we get remainder as here 9, 90, 11, 8 ja 88, then remainder is 2 means 20, 11, 1 ja 11, then we get remainder as here 9, 90, then 11, 8 ja 88, we get remainder as 2 means 20. When we divide 2 by 11, we get remainder as a 2, 9, 2, 9, 2, 9, 2, 9, 2, 9, 9. Here remainders are repeated 2, 9, 2, 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9 and 2 and 9, and we not get remainder as a 0. Here quotient is 0.181818 and 18 and never ends. ये ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, हमको 0.18 0.18 18 18 18 ये बार बार मिल रहा है, तो हम लिख सकते हैं 2/11 इज इक्वल टू 0.181818 डॉट 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 डॉट. Here 18181 is repeated so many times. So this type of decimal is known as also non-terminating decimal and recurring. Non-terminating decimal and recurring. Recurring means here 18181 what in 0.18181818. Here quotient is repeated many times. ये ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए हम बोलेंगे इसको नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड रिकरिंग डेसिमल्स और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एंड रिकरिंग. We see the next example. We see the next question. Question number 6. -1/7. How can change the -1/7 into decimal form? We divide -1 by 7. So we take the positive. अगर हमको कोई नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर को चेंज करना है तो पहले हम उसको पॉजिटिव समझेंगे, पॉजिटिव बनाएंगे. 1/7 पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव साइन निकाल दो. तो पहले 1 को डिवाइड करो 7 से. 7 0 जा 0, we get remainder as 1. Then 0.7 1 जा 7, we get remainder 3. Then 0 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28. Then remainder 2, 7 2 जा 14. Then 6 0 7 8 जा 56, 4 7 5 जा 35. 7 7 जा 49, remainder is 1. 7 1 जा 7, remainder 3. 7 4 जा 28, remainder 2. 7 2 जा 14, remainder 6, 7 8 ja 56, remainder 4, 40, 7 5 ja 35, remainder 5 means 50, 7 7 ja 49, then we get remainder as a 1 means 10. Here we get remainder 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5, 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5, 1. We not get remainder as a 0, and their quotient is not terminate, not ends. So minus 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857 14285 dot so on. But minus 1 upon 7 is negative, so we write here minus 0.142857 14285 dot. ये डॉट क्या बता रहा है ये कि क्वेश्चन खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा, नॉट एंड्स, नॉट टर्मिनेट्स. तो minus 1 upon 7 is equal to minus 0.142857 14285. In this question 14285 is repeated, so minus 1 upon 7 is equal to minus 0.142857 14285 is a non-terminating recurring decimal. 8 upon 3 is equal to 2.6666. यह 6 is repeated many times. ये डॉट ही बताता है, डॉट हम यहाँ से लिखते हैं क्योंकि हमको अब 666 और मिलेगा, ये ख़त्म नहीं होगा. तो 8 upon 3 is equal to 2.666666 and so on, so many 6 not ends. So we write 2.6666 is equal to 2.6 bar. 6 bar, we put bar over 6 because 6 is repeated in 2.666. हम टू में बार नहीं लगाएंगे क्योंकि इन डेसिमल पार्ट्स विच नंबर्स block of digits repeated we put over the bar. 2.666 ये इंटीग्रल पार्ट है और ये डेसिमल पार्ट. इन डेसिमल पार्ट द नंबर रिपीटेड्स block of digits repeated, here 6 repeated many times, so we put over 6, we write 2.6 bar. In 2 upon 11 equal to 0.181818 and so on. Here 18 is repeated many times, here block of digit is 18, so we write this 0.18 bar. We write bar over 18, not 1818. Here 18 is repeated again and again. Here next minus 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857 14287. In this decimal form 14287 14287, 0 is integral and this is a decimal part. In this 14287 is a block of digits that repeats many times, so we write 0.14287 bar. Here block of digit is 14287 repeated many times, so we put bar over 14287. Next 233 upon 990 is equal to 0.235353535. In this, here 0 is a integral, but 2353535 and so on. Decimal part, in this decimal part 3 5 3 5 3 5 is only repeated block of digit is, but 2 is not repeated, so we write bar over 3 5, not 2. We write 0.235. We see conversion of decimal numbers into rational numbers of the form P upon Q. In this class, we have to see rational numbers can be represented either as a terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating decimal. In this sections, we have learned about reverse process. We shall learn how to convert a given decimal number into an equivalent rational number in the form of P upon Q. हमने पहले ये देख चुके हैं कि हम कैसे रेशनल नंबर्स को डेसिमल नंबर में चेंज करेंगे, बट इस टॉपिक में हमें ये देखना है कि हाउ कैन चेंज द डेसिमल नंबर इनटू देयर रेशनल numbers of the form P upon Q. We shall divide into two parts. First part, when we change the decimal number into rational form, we see the first part. When the decimal number is of terminating nature, suppose decimal number कौन सा nature का हो, terminating in nature, terminating decimal हो. Second, when the decimal representation is of non-terminating in nature, non-terminating and recurring, non-terminating and recurring decimal into rational numbers, and how can change the non-terminating and recurring decimal into their decimal number. First, see the terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. How can change the terminating decimals into their rational number of the form P upon Q. Suppose we see the example 0.15. How can change 0.15 into rational number? 0.15 is terminating decimal. तो हम पहले ये देखते हैं कि कोई भी डेसिमल्स नंबर को कैसे, टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल्स को कैसे रेशनल नंबर चेंज करते हैं. सॉल्व चेंज करते समय हम पहले क्या करेंगे, 0.15 में पहले हम ये पहचानेंगे कि कौन सा डेसिमल पार्ट है. लाइक यहाँ 0.15, तो हियर 15 आफ्टर पॉइंट, और ये हम इसको बोलेंगे डेसिमल पार्ट, और ये 0 इसको हम बोलेंगे इंटीग्रल पार्ट. 0.15 is decimal part and 0.5 is decimal part, and here 0 before 0 is known as integral part. So how can change 0.15 into their rational form? किसी भी डेसिमल्स को रेशनल फॉर्म में चेंज करते समय हम इस पॉइंट को निकाल देंगे. सपोज 0.15 है, we remove the point decimals of this number, so we write 15 upon, and here we write 1. We count the number of digits in decimal part, 1 2. We write number of 0 equal to number of digits. Here number of digits in decimal part 1 2, so we write 2 zeros, so we get 15 upon 100. Here 15 upon 100 decimal number, so we also get standard form. We change the 15 upon 100 in standard form. 15 upon 100, and 15 is multiple of 5 and 100 is also multiple of 5, so we cancel it. 5 3 is 5 to 10 and 0 is equal to 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20 is the decimal form of 0.15. We see the next question. Suppose 2.50. How can find the rational form of 2.1 2.50? 2.50 को हम कैसे डेसिमल फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे? पहले इस डेसिमल को निकाल देंगे, कितना जाएगा 250. अगर जीरो है तो यहाँ सामने जीरो होता तो जीरो नहीं लिखते, जैसे इसमें जीरो है तो जीरो छोड़ दिए थे. अब यहाँ लिखेंगे निकाल डेसिमल के पॉइंट के बदले 1. इन डेसिमल पार्ट हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स? 1 2. सो वी राइट 1 2 is equal to 250 upon 100. 0 0 cancel. 25 upon 10. 25 upon 10. 25 is multiple of 5 and 10 is also multiple of 5, so we cancel it. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, equal to 5 upon 2. 0.00026. How can change 0.0026 in decimal form? First we remove the decimal point, so the number is 0.00026, but we did not write 0 because 0 is here left side, so we only write here 20 point. So we write here 1. When we count the number of digits in decimal part, 1 2 3 4 5, so write number of 0 equal to 5. Number of 5 zeros, we get 26 upon 1 lakh. 26 upon 1 lakh. 26 and 1 lakh is multiple of 2, so we cancel it. 2 1 is 2, 2 30 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 2 0 is 0 0 0 0 0 is equal to 13 upon 50,000. तो 13 upon 50,000. अब हम easily we change the terminating decimals into rational form. In next class we see the how can change, how can convert, how can change, how can convert non-terminating decimals into rational forms. Thank you. Have a nice day.